Hey there, feel like your current Chase checking account doesn't match your lifestyle anymore? Upgrading your account can unlock benefits like waived fees, higher interest, or premium services. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to explore an upgrade. Log into your Chase online account and navigate to your checking account details. Look for an option like Switch Account Type or Explore Other Accounts. You can compare features of accounts like Chase Premier Plus Checking or Sapphire Banking. You can often initiate the switch online, but for some premium accounts, you may need to visit a branch or call. My crucial pro tip: crunch the numbers on fee waivers first. Premium accounts often have monthly fees that are waived if you maintain a certain balance or have other relationships with Chase. Make sure the benefits, like free wire transfers or non-Chase ATM fee rebates, are worth it for you before switching. That's how you ensure your bank account grows with your financial needs. What would motivate you to upgrade your bank account? Better benefits, lower fees, or status? Let me know below. For more guides on optimizing your banking, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.